Welcome to the Brain Flicks. Are you ready to learn and have fun? Today we are going to learn ABC fruits through phonics, facts, maps, and quizzes. We will learn letter sounds, say fruit names clearly, learn fun fruit facts, see where fruits grow on the world and India maps, and play fun quiz questions together. So sit comfortably, listen carefully, repeat with me, and let's start our fun learning journey with ABC fruits. Let's go to I. Now let's learn the sound. I. I for ice apple. I for ice apple. I says D. D. Repeat with me. Me. Ice apple. D. Ice apple. Now, let's learn the fun facts like benefits, features, growth. Ice apple is cool and juicy. Ice apple is good for summer. Ice apple is cool and juicy. Ice apple is good for summer. Cool. Ice apple grows on palm trees. Ice apple likes hot weather. Now let's learn where it grows. Let's look at the world map. Ice apple grows in India and Sri Lanka. Now look at the India map. Ice apple grows in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Ice apple grows well in hot places. Now, it's time for the fun quiz. Question 1. What letter does ice apple start with? I or J? I. Answer. I.
Question 2. Is ice apple good for summer?
Yes or no? Answer. Yes.
Question 3. Does ice apple grow on palm trees?
Yes or no? Answer. Yes.
Question 4. Name one state where ice apple grows. Karnataka or Punjab?
Karnataka.
Question 5. Does ice apple help keep us cool? Yes or no?
Answer yes.
Hope you enjoyed learning I with its sound, fun facts, where it grows, and fun quizzes. Let's move on to the next letter.
Great job, kids. You did an amazing job today. You learned ABC fruits through phonics, facts, maps, and quizzes. You practiced letter sounds. You learned fruit names. You learned where fruits grow, and you answered fun quiz questions. Keep practicing every day, keep learning with joy, and keep growing smarter. If you enjoyed this video, ask your parents to like and share it, and subscribe to the Brain Flicks for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Keep smiling, keep learning, because learning is fun with the Brain Flicks, presented by Rummaco Publications.